Hello everybody, this is Brent with Sandcraft Motorsports. Today we're going to be talking about the limit straps and why they're so important to your vehicle. So we are looking at the CV angle coming out of the front differential. As you don't have limit straps, this CV is going to come down and it's going to be rotating because you're driving forward or backwards, and that's basically, you can hear this thing popping and making noise. So what we're doing with limit straps is we're decreasing the CV angle, which is decreasing the amount of heat and friction that your CV sees, which is going to make everything last a whole lot longer. We're looking at the Polaris RZR transmission. This is the output shaft hub of the CV axle, and the limit straps are going to decrease the amount of stress that you see in here, decrease the amount of friction which is caused by that overextending, which is long term just going to make parts last longer. It's not going to get as hot as it normally would. The other thing you have to keep in mind is when the CV angle is at maximum capacity, it starts pulling down on your transmission. That's why you see a lot of case halves blown out the back side, because all that pressure is going right into your ring gear and it can only handle so much load. So what I have here is the inside of a shock. This is a very important part of our limit straps. So what's going on is when your shock fully extends, which is your tires coming off of the ground, this is happening. You have metal on metal, and this is what you're hearing all the time, okay? So all the shock guys are doing to fix this problem with the CVs and the axles is they're machining a longer spacer to go in here, but at the end of the day, all that load still goes on your shock. And also, you've got to keep in mind, with the bigger tires, the bigger rims, the more horsepower, that's more weight and more load that you're putting on your shock every time it is extending. Okay, now we understand why the limit straps are so important to your vehicle. Let's talk about the actual construction of the limit strap itself. Sandcraft always goes above and beyond. We're always making better parts, and this is just another great example of why. We use 4 rows of stitching, okay? It is triple layered. This is a military spec material. This is a competitor's limit strap. You can see how flimsy it is. There's only 2 rows of stitch, and so you can just see the difference. Now that you understand why the limit straps are so important to a vehicle, I want you to check out sandcraftmotorsports.com. If you have any questions at all, please call us at the shop, 480-539-4438.